Baliw daw si Nonito Donaire.
More crazy than me.
Ito ang deklarasyon ni Barrera sa harap mismo ni Donaire. Boxing fans, maligayang pagbabalik. Bakit nga ba tinawag ni Barrera si Donaire na baliw?
It was normal, God.
Yeah.
What happened?
At tunghayan kung bakit nasyak si Barrera sa mga ideyang lumalabas sa utak ng ating 4 Division legend na si Nonito Donaire. Simula sa inuman ng dalawa sa Japan hanggang sa opinyon ni Donaire kung bakit masikat sa kanya si Pacquiao. Ating tunghayan ang interview ni Marco Antonio Barrera sa kay Filipino Flash Donaire. Sisimulan natin ang pagrepaso ni Donaire sa mga laban niya kay Inoue at ang sagot niya kung saan natakot si Barrera para sa kanya.
Inoue.
Monster Inoue.
Yes. Yes.
You stay in the fucking ring with the
Yes.
monster.
I want to do it again.
Really?
I love to fight, man. Ah, that was so good.
But
You know?
right now it's the monster. It's
Man, that's what I want.
Sa pagsisimula ng pag-uusap na ito, kitang-kita sa mukha ni Barrera ang pag-aalala sa deklarasyon ni Donaire na matapos ang knockout kay Inoue ay gusto pa niyang labanan ito ng ikatlong beses. At bakit nga ba close ang laban nila ni Inoue nung unang pagtatagpo?
First fight, it was when I fought him. It was a good fight. He thought that he could take me out, so he was aggressive, and then I was coming aggressive, so it opened him up, and that's why the fight was close.
Ayon kay Donaire, minaliit ni Inoue ang kakayahan nito dahil nga siguro when that fight happened, Donaire was already 36 years old. But on the second fight, Inoue knocked him out in only 2 rounds. Bakit?
The second fight, he started to use this. You know, he became smarter because he knew that when it comes to fighting, that's my style. You know.
Sinasabi nga ba ni Nonito dito na di kayang makipagsabayan ni Inoue sa kanya? Pero di ba ang boxing ay isang sports ng estratehiya? Ang tanong, di ba natakot si Donaire nung unang pagtatagpo nila ni Inoue?
no nervous, no nothing.
Nah, this is excitement.
Say, come on, cabron, let's go.
See? That's why I always want to fight the best because it gives me that feeling, feeling that I'm looking for. Maybe that's why I'm still boxing and I want to fight the best because if I don't get that feeling of like I lose the fight.
Umaapoy pa rin ang dugong mandirigma sa loob ng katawan ni Donaire. Kung bibigyan ba ng pagkakataon, gusto ba niyang kalabaning muli si Inoue for the 3rd time?
The third one too. If I can do it, I gotta build myself up, and I just love those fights. I love those fights that brings out the best.
Come on, why?
Soy Mexicano.
Exactly, it's big ball.
Natawa si Barrera kasi para bang pinapahiwatig ni Donaire sa kanya na kahit Pinoy siya, ang bayag niya ay Mexicano. Alam naman natin na kilala ang mga Mexicano na palaban at matitibay sa larangan ng boxing.
Because in the second fight, I remember I was normal, God. When hit you, we go down. You say,
Yeah.
what happened?
Boom, went down. I thought I slipped because he hit me on the temple. If he hit me here, I'm okay. But he hit me in the temple, I went out. That's why in the second, the third knockdown, hit me here and I can get up.
Parang napuruhan ata ni Inoue si Donaire at nakalimutan niyang walang 3rd knockdown sa second fight nila. Anyway, digin pa natin siya.
But the tempo, the timing, I wasn't ready for it, and I blanked out. My wife said, "Box, cover your head." But for me,
Exactly. you down. Because I got to move. I
Yeah.
got to finish the
That's
round.
why
Dito nating makikita ang talino ni Barrera. Nasurpresa ito dahil pagkatapos ng knockdown ni Inoue kay Donaire, imbes utak ang gamitin at iwasan muna nakipagsabayan ito.
But I was like, let's go. Let's just go for it. You know, it's my pride and my joy in fighting. I love that.
Jesus, you love. Come on. Oh,
Yeah, I love that.
oh my God.
Kitang-kita naman sa mukha ni Barrera na di siya masaya sa sagot ni Donaire kasi alam niyang malaki ang tsansa ni Donaire kung di ito nakipagsabayan kay Inoue.
You thinking in 3-5 with Inoue?
Well, if I could make the choice, I would fight him. But I have to build myself up to that.
I'm
You've done
saying,
enough.
I am your friend.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
come
I
on,
know,
no.
but it's my heart, it's my pride as a fighter. No, I love those fights.
Nararamdaman nyo ba na nakukulitan din si Barrera kay Nonito? Dahil alam nito sa edad ni Donaire, napaka-peligroso kay Nonito na kalabanin si Inoue. Agree ba kayo kay Barrera? May dahilan din si Donaire kung bakit natatalo siya lately sa mga mas mababang kalibreng boxer.
You take everything very lightly, and you start to lose. And you don't do your best, and you're like, man, why did I do that? Like, you gotta go more. You gotta give it all.
Hindi daw siya inspired mag-training kapag mahihina ang kalaban niya.
Talk to me. What happened in the last fight? Because you're looking different. I can see the Donito Donaire. Come on.
Yeah,
go to it.
the fighter wasn't there. Oh, I think I took him lightly.
Okay, no problem. You can do the second fight because was a tough fight. Nice fight.
Okay lang naman ito kay Barrera, pero ang hiling nito ay huwag kalabanin ni Donaire si Inoue. Kasi nga iba ang level ng Japanese fighter.
No, please. Don't think more.
No, the thing
Because
is,
it's a monster.
Oh no, I don't believe in monster.
May tiwala ba kayo kay Donaire na sa gantong edad maari pa siyang manalo kay Inoue sa ikatlong laban? Atin pang pakinggan kasi may sasabihin siya dito at tila bang parang dinidiin niya ang kanyang sarili.
If the second fight I took a risk and I got caught, but if I didn't take a risk and I took a little bit of my time and patience, I think it'll be a different fight.
Wala na lang komento si Barrera. Ang kulit kasi ni Donaire.
And a lot of people say, no mas, Nonito, no mas. You have nothing to prove. And I'm not here for the proof. I know I did everything that I wanted in boxing. I accomplished more than a lot of people, but it's my joy. I love being in there. I love those fights.
That's more crazy than me. That's more crazy than me.
May iba nga tayo. Sa lahat ng mga kinalaban ni Donaire, sino ba ang pinakamahirap at naghanda talaga siya?
The Mexican fighter that really got me very, very nervous and very focused was Montiel. I knew I had to be at my best to beat Montiel.
At 70% knockout rate, si Fernando Montiel ay ang pinakamaangas at pinakamakamandag na boxer noon. At the time of the fight kay Donaire, Fernando Montiel was rated number 1 at bantamweight bago niya kinalaban si Donaire.
A lead right hand and another one, and that's it. I mean, that's a thing of beauty. Wow.
At dito rin nagpakilala ang left hook ni Donaire sa mundo. Sa mga nakalimot, ang suntok niya kay Montiel na nagpabagsak sa Mexicano ay ang 2011 Knockout of the Year ng Ring Magazine.
As much as the fight didn't go too long, but between me and Montiel, anything could happen. He could land the punch
Because
before
that
me
punch,
and I go down.
Exactly.
It was me that landed my punch. With Montiel, I was worried with his punches because he couldn't punch too.
Yeah, Montiel
Yeah.
had punch.
I was at my best because I was very, not afraid, but I was very ready for him because I know he was very good.
Ayaw man aminin ni Donaire na darama natin na may konting kaba sa kanya nung kinalaban niya si Montiel. At dito na rin ikikwento ni Barrera nung nagkita sila at nagparty sila ni Donaire sa Japan.
The first time I see that he drink. We do the many parties in Japan. He singing, he dancing. I say, oh my God, it's crazy. What happened?
I think our timing was not right because I think when I was there with you, it was a time where I think I drank too much and I said no more drinking. I still have fun.
Because I do the party, but I never drink. For we got to know exactly who is Donito Donaire.
Gaya nga ng sabi ni Barrera, naninibago siya kay Donaire kasi umiinom ito kahit active fighter pa siya noon.
Because his singer, Mexican song, La Bamba, what is?
Para la bamba.
At tinanong din ni Barrera kung ano ang tingin ni Donaire sa kasikatan ni Pacquiao. At di naman nag-atubiling sumagot si Nonito.
There's always people and that have opportunities.
Yeah.
Like Pacquiao, he has opportunities. You know, many fighters with good names, Morales, Barrera, all you guys' name, De La Hoya, Cotto.
Cotto.
Yeah, so many names that makes him muy grande.
Yeah, bigger. The name
so
is
much
bigger.
bigger.
Agree ba kayo dito? Opportunity nga lang ba at swerte ang kay Pacquiao na mabibigat ang pangalan na nasa resume nito? Ibig sabihin ba ni Donaire, good management lang ng laban ang nagpasikat kay Pacman? Sang-ayon ba kayo sa kanya? Sa mga interesting boxing content na tulad nito, pakisundok sa like and subscribe dahil dami pa nating pabaon para sa inyo. Salamat, ka-boxing tayo!
Boxing.